Drifting and Thrifting, starting right off with the video games. Hit and Run was a really fun game that I played as a kid and also has some value complete in box. Let's take a look. A thief has absconded with the CD. Mixed in with the miscellaneous goods was a vintage green giant mug. It shows the variations of the Jolly Green Giant. These are Wendy's Frosty toys from Halloween in 2024. Hello, dinosaur on the floor. I had to look this up. These are Bananas, a blind toy series. What a cute piglet plushie. This Toy Story Sporky toy looked fun. It wiggles when it rolls. I'm sure someone will have fun playing with it. I used to have this flying pig as a decoration in my room. You hang it on the ceiling, and when you turn it on, it flies around in circles. I left it for someone to get as decor like I once did. This Cinderella Lucifer plushie is massive and in new condition. From my research, it appears to be a Costco exclusive in Japan. Look at my hand compared to it. Somebody clearly donated their giant Disney plushies because here's a Toy Story alien one also with tags. And nearby was also a Toy Story Lotso plushie as large as Lucifer. When I came back later, all three were gone. Here's a limited time Wicked Popcorn music box. It works! I thought these were walkie-talkies for a second, but they're pieces from an RC hockey game. The rest of it wasn't there, but it looks like it'd be a fun game to play. This looked like a vintage Fisher-Price record player, but looking at the back, it's a remade one from 2014. It's missing its records, bummer. That's a pretty important part of the set. Oh look, a phone! Who's there?
And his name is John C.
This is also a remake of an old-fashioned phone. Check out these triangle-shaped plates. They're for slices of pizza. These are usually multiple plates that form a circle when combined. Cute, but I already have a different set at home. I almost grabbed this bell pepper shaped canister since food decor is my jam, but I had no idea where I'd put it since I already have a lot of them. This cat shaped canister was adorable. But below it caught my eye even more. Ice cream cone shaped cups from Williams Sonoma, a higher end kitchen brand. Without hesitation, I grabbed two for me and Mr. CF and placed them in my cart. More kitchen decor. Here's a barbecue sauce shaped dish. And right above was a fun Hershey's steamed bowl. If I didn't have the cone cups, I would have grabbed this instead. These are Crate & Barrel bowls, another higher end brand to look out for. Unfortunately, all of these bowls had a lot of crazing in them and were basically unusable from it. Be on the lookout for this brand though, they can be valuable as you can see. It's a vintage Pocahontas portable beanbag table. Interesting! I couldn't find anything like it online. I also found out that it opens up and it had an art set hidden inside. Whoa, it's a Triwizard tournament cup from Harry Potter. Immediately, it reminded me of this scene.
Aren't you put your name in the goblet of fire?
I placed it back on the shelf, and now looking at the footage, why did I do that? The batteries were probably just dead. Oh well, that happens. What was working though was this Beauty and the Beast Belle music box. It's so bright and yellow. It's also vintage because it says it's from 1991. I don't look at too many board games, but I looked at this one from the box. This is Snoopy and the Red Baron from the 70s, a game that had pieces you built together and seems to be one you'd play with the marbles included. By the Records was Myst, a PC game. I've heard good things about this game, but I've never played it. However, I left it because it looked like it was in pretty rough shape. That's a cute pastel Hello Kitty cardigan. It was brand new with the tag still on it, hence why they priced it at $21. I really liked this, but I couldn't justify buying it. Alright, onto another thrift store, and here's a burger pillow. Nearby was a Loot Crate exclusive pillow from the anime series Konosuba. It's supposedly a good series, but I've never watched it. Wait, there's another pillow. It's a vintage soft cat-shaped one. What a cute baby toy. It's from Pottery Barn, but it's missing the rooster that's supposed to be on top. Still, it's a nice set for someone. Pooh is just chilling on the top. After some digging, he's a musical game that's supposed to have some cardboard pieces alongside it. Let's just put him right back where he was. This bright object I had to pick up and look at. It's apparently some kind of frameless chair to help keep your back straight. That packaging is so retro and the photos are so cheesy. Look at the guy's face. I'm sorry, but this Harry Potter doll has a creepy face. He's missing his glasses too. Looking at the box, it comes with a chocolate frog bracelet that's supposed to smell like chocolate, with a wizard treat shaped box to store it in. That's pretty neat. I'd rock that. What? There's a plastic turkey on the shelf. It's actually a John Darien piece that was sold at Target for Thanksgiving. It lights up and still worked when I turned it on. The crazy part? This is worth some money. Check out how much it sells for. We're grabbing this. Look at this old school set. It's Optivisor, a magnifying visor you wear on your head when working on small things to help see them better. Shockingly, these are still available for purchase on Amazon.